Hi everybody, just want to show you an handy product when you're making things like stools and tables and things, and that's these things, these corner braces. We sell these here at the woodworking store at Live With Wood. I'm just going to show you how to fit one very quickly. So the surround underneath your top of your table that your leg attaches to will be something like this, and all you do is put a saw cut. In this case, I tend to do them 55mm from the end, so 5.5cm from the end. So on the two pieces that we're fastening together, we've put a saw cut on each of them, and then we attach the plate. If you can see, the actual lip on that plate there goes into that saw cut. That's just to provide a stronger joint. I'm just going to put a couple of screws in this so I can show you exactly how it fits. So that's like that, you see. So that's in the saw cut, so that's going to strengthen it. And then there's 3 screws. I've just put a couple of screws in just to show you how it fits. Then the other piece, your adjoining piece, fastens together like that. If you can see, exactly the same. But what you need to do is, instead of assembling it flat like that on a bench, you really need to put these flush. So make sure both your pieces are the same depth, and make sure you've got them flat down on a bench. And then I'll just drop another couple of screws in here. Just like that. So that's both pieces attached. It is quite rigid at that. And what happens is, imagine this is your table leg or stool leg, that actually fits in the corner like that then. So it goes into the corner like that. So you just put that, again, flat down to the bench with your leg in place, and using small screws here, 2-inch riser screws of course. But I'm just using these as an example. You'd obviously use a little bit bigger screws if you're making a table or something. So then you just put screws that way to attach it. As you can see, it pulls it up nice and tight. You can glue these, or you can leave them dry. If you leave them dry and you're taking a table into the house, then you can always take the legs off to get it in the house, which is really handy. So that's just an handy product there, the corner braces. If you want to do tables, stools, or anything where you want to fasten a post to a framework. I'll see you soon.